So, this one, I forgot to tell you guys something. The large electrical fields themselves appear to create the regulation that occurs. A study showed that by increasing the electric potential in cancer cells, metastatic activity can be suppressed despite such specific proteins being present that are known to be involved in metastatic activity. So, all the signals that affect a cell together are called the morphogenic field. It includes all of the instructions that come from all secreted cellular signals, including cytokines, and the effects of the molecules in the extracellular space. That this includes many gradients that are used by immune cells to gather information and track other cells. An unusual feature recently discovered as a cause of cancer is special proteins that produce cells in particular orientations called planar cell polarity. When this polarity is altered, it can cause cancer. So, electrical gradients are now shown to be critical as well. When the usual gradient or field information is somehow altered, it can cause cancer. So, each embryo has its own innate field. It has been observed that cells in the midst of a live organ are not as susceptible to the same chemical influences to become cancerous. They are much more able to become cancer when isolated from the influences of other cells. So when you take one cell away from the others and it has no communication, you got cancer. When the region's electrical properties are different, they are less likely to become cancerous. I am not a doctor. I am not giving advice. I'm just reading from a doctor's website. His name is John Leaf, MD. Cellular intelligence, microbes, the human brain, neuronal plasticity. Anyways, signals from neurons are also a factor in causing cancer. When nerves are cut, then cancers occur more frequently. And you go to the doctor and let them do surgery on you? Do they cut your nerves? That's interesting. These neuron signals appear to be contributing to the field information in local regions. So, a striking example of the field is when shunts are needed between the abdomen and the blood. These shunts send large amounts of cancer cells to many regions, but they do not become metastatic in some areas, but do in others. Another is when the shape of a region is altered by surgery. See, God told me, and then I'm reading it. I was already told that in my brain. It is more likely to become cancerous, possibly by altering the field. You should not get surgery if you've got cancer. You should go to plants and things that make your body electric. So let's read some more. Cancer cells turn away from the community of cells aspect and the entire organism and become involved in individual behavior in their own new community. You can't do that. You always have to listen to God. You can't think for yourself. You can think for yourself, but your cells have to work together. They can't, if they think by themselves, you'll get cancer. The emperor of cells, the cancer cells, either aren't given appropriate information in the field about the creature, can't extract the information, or don't care anymore. Cancers form their own organs and fields. The cancer cells also form. So if you have a positive electric field around your body, all your cells, all your organs, everything, and the cancers also put an information field and communicate around their cells, I wonder what it would look like. Really, I wonder what it would look like. They reproduce and evolve to be stronger as a community. They signal each other to fight microbes and immune attacks. Cancer cells eliminate communication to the body and tissues of the body, but they maintain the same junction and communications along with the smaller community. So what they do is they take over your natural communication in your body and give you artificial communication. You want artificial intelligence in your body? Get some cancer. That's strange. So anyways, and this is what it looks like. These are the electrical fields around your body. Okay? Your heart, your brain, everything has a magnetic field. And has a magnetic field around it so that it can work properly. Pictures really help me. Now, protect your extraordinary heart. Foods that love your heart. I would never drink red wine for resveratrol. Just take resveratrol. This is really hurting women, the red wine drinking. Stop it. Sweet potatoes, asparagus, tomatoes, dark chocolate, flax seeds, apples. That's why I do apple cider vinegar. It's very good. Where did the shape of the heart come from? Traditional heart was derived from the plant seed of the now extinct for over 2,000 years North African Similifum plant. Interesting. But anyways, I'm just letting y'all know every organ in your body has an electrical field. And if they are not working together, then they are singly working and working with the cancer. Either you're going to control your electrical field, control your body, or the cancer will control your body. You pick. See? It will be depleted if you don't do the right things. It's not an aura, it's an electrical field. Durr! Bye, friends. Keep your head up high because God loves you and He made you perfect.